Thank you for joining me again, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and we're going to be looking at a Coleman by Dutchmen. It's a nice small RV, and this one's got a slide, so stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Thank you again for joining me today. We're going to be looking at the Dutchmen Coleman, model number 1805 RB. Now, my first look at this little trailer, I think it's a fantastic size. The length is 22 feet 9 inches long. It's got a double axle, and it only weighs 4,492 pounds, which is easy to pull with a half-ton pickup. I put a diagram up with the layout of the inside, which gives you a really good look on how things are laid out. Now, as I take a walk around the outside of this RV, I can really see that it's set up really well. This RV model comes with a 14-foot electric awning, which takes up almost the whole side of the RV, which is really nice. As we go around to the other side, you can see that there's a slide out. The slide out encompasses the couch, which we'll see a little bit closer when we get inside. As you've noticed, you can see that the back of this RV does not have any windows, and that's because the rear portion of this RV is the bathroom. As we move to the front of this trailer, you can see the through storage compartment. Now, this storage compartment goes right underneath the queen bed. I really like the through storage system because you can put all your gear inside the storage and then you can reach them from both sides. As we make our way inside the trailer, this is the living space. It's got a cupboard up top along with the mounted microwave on the right. As we come down, you'll see that the kitchen is set up really well. It also comes with a double-wide stainless undermount farmer's type sink. And there comes a 3-burner stovetop and oven. So got some cupboard space up top and below. You've got a really good size 7 cubic foot fridge, freezer space up top, and fridge space down below. As we have a look at the entertainment center, you can see that there's a cupboard up top, there's a nice 42-inch TV, and you get a fireplace with this, folks. Very, very comfortable. Speaking of comfort and space, here's where the slide is. The slide is a couch slide. It's got a nice big bay window which lets in lots of natural light. If you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Now let's move up to the bedroom. Now this is where this trailer really shines. They've got the top cabinet, the side wardrobe. You've got your full-size queen walk-around bed. It's nice to have a little spot beside your bed there with a little drawer that you can put your small items, watches, cell phones, that kind of thing. It's a nice touch. Now we're going to move back again. We're going to go and have a look at the bathroom. Now right off the bat, as soon as you're walking into this bathroom, you can see the cupboard space, the medicine cabinet with more cupboard space. You've got your vanity and you've got drawers and you've got a cupboard underneath that sink. Really tons of space in this bathroom. They really utilize this space very, very well. As we look to the right, you can see where the toilet is. Nice ceramic toilet. We've got lots of elbow space. There's lots of room to move around. Now we're going to have a look at the shower. It's a walk-in shower, folks. It's got a skylight up top. It's got lots of natural light coming in, and it's a full surround shower. So you've got lots of space in this shower. Lots of room to move around, which is perfect. There's nothing worse than getting into a shower and it's too small and you start hitting your elbows. So if you're in the market for an affordable, smaller tow-behind RV trailer that is light enough to pull with a half-ton pickup or larger and won't break the bank, don't overlook a Dutchmen RV. Thank you again for joining me on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you like this trailer, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. And if you'd like to see some smaller trailers that I have reviewed, have a look at this video right here.